अबे आगे जाने वाला है क्या? क्यों जला रहा है लाइट? God damn, I've got a spy shot for myself. Okay. Well. Why did I even try? Okay, you've got one chance, one opportunity. Yeah, come on. Push. Fuck. That was a wow, I almost had given up and I was like, may as well try once. Whew. Oh god, I need to get this to the service center. Also, I'm very low on fuel also. Chalo.
A few inches later.
That guy had a smile on his face. Cute guy, dude. That made my day. He was very eager for me to look at him. And as soon as I looked at him, at the first glance I did not notice, he smiled. That's when I looked at him the second time, he smiled even wider. It was so cute. Will it start though? I don't think it will, dude. Should I take the risk? I'd rather take the risk, dude, of emptying the fuel tank, man. Fucking hell. I don't want to risk it.
बस हवा निकल गई.
Hey, what the heck? That's a 4-door Thar, right? God damn, I've got a spy shot for myself. Officially for the first time, dude. I'm genuinely very, very happy here. Damn. Guys, if you want to buy the footage from me, please send some lakhs, send some crores to my email. My UPI ID is.
क्या रे भिख मंगिया?
Damn, dude, that's a. Width-wise it is exactly the same, but length-wise it has increased. It has surely increased.
That's quite big.
Well, I don't mind catching up to you, buddy, even if you decide to run away. Let's see how the interior is like. Interior is a 7-incher. Now he's not gonna slow down. The suspensions are also very nice. And by the way, I have my one eye on the road and other eye on the Thar.
Crazy eyes.
Amazing, dude. Amazing. It's very amazing.
Really amazing.
I hope that's not me, right? From here. Oh, wait. Is that me? Where am I supposed to go? Which one is mine? Oh god. Nice. The front grille is also quite huge. I forgot where am I supposed to go. I did not pay attention on the road, goddamn. My one eye on the road and other eye on the Thar. Just minutes before, I was saying I have one eye on my road and one eye on the Thar. I mean, I have it on the road, but I don't remember the directions. And I don't remember the directions any which way, so I don't blame me, neither the Thar. And the streets are good. Alright, I should be conserving my fuel. What am I doing? I've been belting this bike. I'm sure the battery will start on its own. Okay, luckily I haven't missed the turn. I'm supposed to take a left over here. But what are they testing over here in Mumbai? The Mumbai traffic? Mumbai rains? Well, Mumbai off-road, you should be coming to Goregaon, man. I'll host you. No other place better than Goregaon, RA Colony, to test off-road capabilities of the Thar. I am in collaboration with BMC, so you can reach out to me. Email me at
तेरी ज़बान बहुत चलती है सूर्या.
My bike has been sounding so sexy nowadays, huh? Equally bassy, equally, what do you say? I don't know, it's got a very rich personality to it, the sound. We've done some modifications in the baffles as well. The baffles with the holes were not working as good as well, so we got rid of the holes and they sound sweet.
मैं आपसे कुछ मांग सकता हूँ सचमुच में? अब मैं मांगूंगा और आप मानेंगे नहीं तो? मानेंगे, लेकिन अगर करेंगे नहीं तो? पक्का करेंगे?
आया नहीं अभी तक? कितने बजे आएगा? मैं यही सोच के लेट आया थोड़ा. What is the running? Man, look at that. It was pristine in the morning, like about some 15-20 minutes ago. Look at the halat right now. That's why I fucking hate monsoons. Hate. What is the running? 12,892. Okay. It will start now.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
It is 8:30 p.m. and I'm at the Royal Enfield Service Center. And I just got the work done of the battery. Hopefully it should work. Let's see. My bro Prathamesh stayed up for me. Thank you भाई थामल्या बद्दल. Thank you भाई. आपका नाम? आशुतोष. Nice to meet you. चलो थैंक यू सर. हाँ वही देखते हैं अभी इसका कितना टिकता है, क्या होता है, नहीं तो फिर परफेक्ट. थोड़ा कोल्ड होने दे इसको, गर्म होने दे.
A few moments later.
ये पहले ये था सिल्वर था, इसका मैट ब्लैक ले लिया अभी. चल ठीक है देखते. थैंक यू ब्रो. चलो बाय बाय. Okay, Prathamesh was kind enough to stay back late at work. I know it's a terrible thing to make someone wait at work after their working hours, but well,
It is what it is.
it is what it is. Yeah, but it's things you do for friends, right? Which is exactly why I come all the way from Goregaon to here to get my bike serviced. Anything that is wrong with my bike, I can ride all the way here. And this time, I took it a little too seriously riding over here, because what happened is in the morning I was very low on fuel. You must have seen the footage. And as I approached the petrol pump, I thought ki, if my bike stalls now and it doesn't start up, then I'm screwed. So I thought I may as well go to the service center and fill it up on my way back. But well, turns out I had very little fuel in my tank, and these guys, after fixing the battery, were trying to switch the bike on and it wasn't turning on. And these guys are wondering what happened. It's either the fuel is diluted with water or something, because वो ऐसा बुद कर रहा था. So these guys were shitting pants कि what happened suddenly. And then he opens the fuel tank and he shakes the bike up to see if it's having any fuel inside, and turns out there's not a drop. That's when he was saying right now ki, look at how much your bike loves you that it brought you all the way here, and there was not a single drop for it to even start after that. Imagine. I love you, GT. I really love you. Such a goddamn companionship. Although it's very unkind on my part to literally dry it up completely. Fuel injectors are not meant to be dry like that, okay? Guys, please don't be like me. Please never let your vehicle run dry, especially if it's a fuel injected one. Luckily, he was also kind enough to go get some fuel for my bike, which I of course paid for. But it's gestures like these that people go out of the way to help you, to make things convenient for you, despite of your cups, is why I come all the way here from Goregaon.
ऐसे दिलवाले को आज पहली बार देखा.
It's going to be a very violent ride back home. I'm at a green, buddy. But yeah, man, this was a serious issue with this battery, and conveniently, right after the 2 years of me owning this bike, the battery decides to give up. But this time, thankfully, this battery is not completely dead. There's hopefully some life in it, which I've just recharged. If this lasts good enough, then it's fine. Otherwise, I'll have to replace this as well. So, खर्चे रुकने नहीं चाहिए भाई लोग, खर्चे चलते रहने चाहिए.
बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास.
अरे कहाँ घुस रहे हो भाई, थोड़ा धीरे धीरे चलाओ ना यार. Luckily, I don't have my stock exhausts. Those are the big pipes popping out.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्यों चला रहा है? क्या आगे जाने वाला है क्या? शांत रहे ना भाई. अबे आगे जाने वाला है क्या? क्यों चला रहा है लाइट? परेशान होता है यार, हमारे मिरर में दिखता है. You've got what? You don't understand how you use fast lights or whatever, right?
Bonus.
The heck is that, dude? And you're on the wrong side with a dark visor.
2000cc David Putra bike.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.